Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Kallya polo, or Kallya is nothing but black skinned urad dal. So we are going to prepare a dosa using black skinned urad dal. Now this is a nutritious dish that is usually prepared as breakfast. It is a dish that is traditionally had along with coconut, but you can have the dish along with sambar, chutney or even tiksani humman. Now coming to the ingredients, you need half cup black skinned urad dal, 1 cup raw rice, 1 cup parboiled rice, water as required and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients that you require for preparing the Kallya polo or black skinned urad dal dosa. Now wash and soak the black skinned urad dal, raw rice and parboiled rice for 5 to 6 hours. You can soak all the three ingredients together. Next, you have to grind it to a fine batter, adding water as required. The batter should be of normal dosa batter consistency. Then you have to leave the batter for fermentation overnight. And next day, before taking the or preparing the dosas, you need to add salt and water as required to the batter and mix well. I told you the batter of normal dosa batter consistency. Now heat a dosa tawa and smear it with oil. Pour 1 ladle full of batter and spread it like as you do for a normal dosa. Roast it as you do for normal dosa. Then if you want, you can even drizzle 1 or 2 drops of ghee also. Repeat the procedure with rest of the batter. This is how your Kallya polo or black skinned urad dal dosa will look like after preparation. It's very crispy dosa. It's very tasty also. Your Kallya polo is ready to be served. Serve with grated coconut like the traditional way, or even you can serve it along with sambar, chutney or tiksani umman or any pickle of your choice. Then while preparing the batter for the dosa, you can even add crushed pepper to it so that it will taste even much better. So thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.